Hello, everyone. Welcome to Voice of Partner. My name is Gurpreet Singh. I'm Managing Director of a company in New Delhi, India, AeroPC Network. AeroPC Network is a leading Indian IT company. Now we are spreading our wings into the global marketplace also. Today, I'll be sharing my experience with you on utilizing the marketing development fund provided to us by Dell Technologies, how exactly we are utilizing those funds, what are the benefits we are getting out of those funds, and how exactly we are increasing our revenues and rebates with the help of Dell Technologies and the marketing funds which are available to us quarterly. I'll start my presentation. This is our overall investment spread of the MDF which we get quarterly from Dell Technologies. From the total $100 if we are getting, 44% approximately is going to the traditional marketing, which is either the sales enablement or the traditional marketing programs where we go meet customers and face-to-face sessions are done with the customer. And 56% is actually moved to digital marketing. Thankfully, we started doing digital marketing almost 4 quarters back, and now in the pandemic, it has become even more important. And the spend which we are doing in digital marketing is actually giving us a long-term benefit. If we actually see at the digital marketing portfolio, we can put it into five major categories. And these categories are, as you can see on your screen, content creation, which is the most important category out of all the digital marketing activities. Then we have PPC advertising, social media, email, and video is something which is actually becoming very important these days. Content, as they said, content is the king when you are doing the digital marketing. Marketing is considered to be its queen, and video is becoming the most important thing these days. Data says that almost 64 to 85% customers are taking their decisions are or leaving the leads for you when they look at the videos. Videos have a much better impression on the customers when they see our marketing. And the overall revenue which we were getting out of all these exercises is almost 277x. It means that every $1 spent out of MDF, we are generating a 277 times, $277 of revenues, business revenue. This is how it is going on. This is the DMT tool of Dell Technologies partner portal. We are utilizing it, and what we have seen is that email open rate is almost 15%. And every time we have a new strategy, we have a new content. As I said, content is the most important thing. Every time we have a new content, we have seen a spike in the email opening rate, email clicks, and the web views. Every time you can see that it spikes whenever we are putting a new content, which actually means that old is no more gold when it comes to the digital marketing. In digital marketing, you have to keep bringing new content and you have to keep innovating. You can't stop innovating in digital marketing. You have to keep changing, bringing new content every time. Whenever you have videos, whenever you have new content, you see that there is a spike in the overall connections. As I said, that content is most important thing. This is one of the customer story which we have done where we have leveraged the content. This is a story of our customer Bikaner Wala, which is a food chain. We have provided them a complete HCI solution. We have given them a modernized data center in the form of VxRail. After installing the VxRail, we went back to our customer and we requested him to share his overall experience with us. And he shared his experience with us. We made a very good content out of it, and we used it in almost every type of possible marketing options. We have leveraged it on social media. We have done CIO events in India where almost 500 CIOs were available, and we had a stall there, and we were running the video of the customer story, and we could showcase the customer story to them. Then there was an event where Voice of Customer event was there, in which customer shared his experience working with AeroPC Network and Dell Technologies and having his VxRail transformation and his business transformation through IT. And he shared his experience, how it got migrated, how much time it took, how exactly we took the decision of buying the VxRail, and all those things. When customers share his story, let me tell you, those references are having much, much more relevancy than any other thing. These days, direct marketing doesn't impact that much. Indirect marketing is something which impacts much higher. When a customer says about his experience, when a publication, a IT expert tells about what the technology is and how ROPC Network and Dell Technologies are helping customers transforming their businesses through IT, that helps us a much, much, much higher. The overall rate of, connecting with the customer is much higher when you showcase a customer story. And let me tell you proudly that this particular customer story has been showcased on Dell Technologies global website also. So Dell has supported us a lot in taking this story at the global level also and leveraging this story at different levels. And we were actually able to close lot many more VxRail cases after this particular. This was our first VxRail case, and after that we got the continuation we got different orders. And these days, while we are talking to you, we are already working on a VxRail case study, where we have done for a university. So now we are bringing a different story where we have transformed the working of a university through VxRail, through deployment of HCI and modernizing their data center. This is the video. The overall video is available on YouTube, and it is almost 4.5 minutes video. I have put a little out of it just to give you the glimpse of what we have done. Just see the video with me.
Bikanerwala is one of the most fastest growing brand in India. We are having 50 outlets across the globe, and we were facing problem with the scalability, performance and manageability with our IT infrastructure. IT team has very tough time to support business growth and fastest growing online business and mobile ordering system at that time.
When we met first time, the Bikanerwala team, we found that their overall infrastructure is quite isolated. It was imperative for them to actually go for a solution which can give them a complete centralized solution which is scalable, manageable, as well as which can grow with their business.
HCI is the modern data center in a single box, which we came to know about. It was very easy to manage in a single box for server, compute and storage.
As a titanium partner of Dell Technologies, we have seen that VxRail is a solution which is quite acceptable and adaptable by today's IT team.
Dell VxRail HCI, the solution was successfully implemented.
Dell Technologies supported us a lot. Bikanerwala team was quite cooperative, and the overall implementation went quite smooth. I believe it took almost 7 days for us to implement it and do the complete migration, and after 7 days we were up and running.
You can see here this video. When we run this video in the presence of the customer, who is a potential customer, it definitely makes a much higher sense, and recommendation from their peers, other CIOs, the other customers definitely gives us a lot of achievement. In the nutshell, we have achieved a lot because of the support from Dell through their marketing development fund and leveraging the content. We could actually create much better brand credibility in the market. We have established ROPC Network as an industry expert, and we are definitely getting more benefits from Dell in the form of NBI, base rebate, MDF, and My Rewards also. Let me tell you, marketing is never enough. You have to keep on doing it. This is a cycle which has to continuously going. That's how we have been growing. ROPC Network and Dell Technologies business have been growing in last 3 years. We have leveraged all forms of marketing, but the digital form is something which gives you much higher revenues, much better connectivity with your customers, and much better recall value. If you keep on running this particular circle in the manner that you analyze and get funds, increase revenue, get more rebates, and then you keep on running this cycle continuously, your business will keep growing. Thank you very much. I hope that my presentation will give you some or the other sense that how exactly you can leverage marketing development fund given by Dell Technologies to you. and you will be definitely doing all these digital activities to increase your business also. All our assets are available here. You can visit us on our website. You can follow us on all these social handles. You can see us on YouTube. We have made a lot of content with the help of Dell Technologies and the partner portal, which we have displayed on YouTube and different social media handles. Please go through them. I'm sure this will be a great help to you. Thank you very much.